Welcome to our Sprinter van build. I'm Tim, and along with my beautiful partner Angie and our happy little dog Pluto, we are creating our perfect camper for the three of us to get away on weekends. Aussie Traveller windows for our van. 500 by 900. Should let a lot of light into the van and a lot of circulation. Beautiful. Nice flat outside, dark tint, beautiful windows. Inner frame ring, external window, and the blind unit. My tools are all laid out and it's time to get cutting. Firstly, I need to remove the inner ribs from the panels where the new windows are going. Cutting into the van for the first time was very daunting, but it had to start somewhere. The old saying, measure twice, cut once, was always on my mind. Pluto was of course a bit anxious about us cutting into Smurf, so he kept a very close eye on the work. I put some protection on the back of the seat so the sparks wouldn't melt the seat covers, and then it was time to cut.
Brilliant.
Luckily, it all went smoothly. The ribs came off nicely, and after removing some silicone residue, I was ready to get the jigsaw to work and really start cutting some holes. A step drill bit here was very useful. It allowed me to keep drilling the hole slightly bigger until I got right up to the line. Finally, the first window opening was being cut. The edges of the panels made it hard to turn the jigsaw around the corners, but with a bit of finagling, I got it done. Pluto was very nervous about all the cutting. The first window was very stressful, the second went much more smoothly. First, a quick test fit of the inner frame ring, and all was good to fit the window. Some primer on all the bare metal, then the wooden spacer I made, some silicone sealer on the outside, and Bob's your uncle, the first window was all done. Peeling off the protective film was so satisfying.
Can I do it?
Yep, peel the plastic off.
Ta-da!
Yay.
This is where we need to start hanging.
Alright, might as well try the window and then we'll push the button in first. And the two on the sides, yep.
Beautiful.
And pop it out.
Oh, look at that.
I think it's got 2 or 3 latch spots. Awesome. We'll go around the outside and peel that off. We just love the look of the new windows. They're just perfect. Classic. Classic.
The big reveal. Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, I'll get that. Hold on.
Wow, now we can see.
Got your latches and open your windows.
Yeah, check that. Oops.
Woohoo.
That was fast. That took us no time.
Okay, time to hang the screens on the new windows. We're putting them in with the fly screen to the top. Use the blinder well.
Okay, so fly screen. Ta-da.
That's it. Now you can slide them both all the way up.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Loving it, babe.
Awesome.
Oh, yes, I see. Yeah. Then we can open our windows.
See, we should open the windows for the air, right?
We should. Ah, I love that. Beautiful, darling. Beautiful.
Alright. Job done. How easy was that?
Way too easy. Look at that. We can have it any way we want. Like that too. It's a bit of texture.
Yeah, at least at night we can do that. And people walking past can't look in,
That's right.
but you can still get the breeze.
Or we can peep out
Yeah,
from lying on that bed.
excellent.
Well done, babe.
Okay, I have the windows battened out so that when I put the wall sheet on it will sit level with the metal beams. Front and rear windows done. All custom sizes because the van gets a bit narrower toward the rear. And the centre space, a bit hard to see, but I've put a texture square there for the central shelf. We're thinking putting in inset shelf unit to match the size of the windows. Beautiful new windows. Initially we only put in 2 windows, but after our holiday in Tassie we realised that we wanted a 3rd window in the sliding door, so that's what we did. Pluto was much more at ease with this hole in the van. My technique and workflow were much better with the 3rd window, and it went much quicker and much easier than the other 2. Old dogs can really learn new tricks. Making the timber spacer out of 4 pieces and scribing them to fit perfectly and using some double-sided tape to hold them in place until they're screwed in was a much better way to do it than my original 1 piece that I used on the first 2 windows. We are all so very happy with all the windows. We love our Smurf. Please like and subscribe to find out what's happening next on the build.